Hey y'all, I'm going to be taking these greeting cards and some printable digital pages from Artymaze and covering the inside of these, and then I'm going to turn them into little notebooks. I will be using quite a few of the pages from her Jelly Print Backgrounds kit. It's available over in her Etsy shop. I'm just using my metal ruler to tear away the white space on this sheet. And then I'm going to use some Eileen's tacky glue. To glue the background sheet to the inside of the card. Now I'm adding extra glue where the fold line is on the card so that when I refold this with the backing sheet on it, I don't get any buckles or wrinkles on that fold line. And I'm just going to cut around this. And then refold it. This is how it looks right now. I printed out some lined sheets. I know these are Artymaze printables. I printed them double-sided. I also printed out some more of the Jelly Prints double-sided. Now, I know these lined sheets are from Artymaze, but I separated the file for some reason, so I'm not sure which kit they came out of. I want to say it was one of the botanical kits, though. Now, the way these printed made them the perfect size for using as pages on the inside of this little greeting card. Now, I will cut these down to fit the width of the greeting card. I will cut these pages a half an inch narrower than what the greeting card is so that they fit right inside with a 1/4 inch space on each side. Then I'll fold each sheet in half. And arrange them in the order that I want them inside of the notebook. Because I plan on stapling these, I'm going to clip them together with some paper clips to keep that middle fold line in place, because I'm going to blind staple these because my stapler doesn't reach the center. So my trick is to use a shoebox. You can use anything that you can staple through that you're not worried about putting holes in, and you're not going to bend those staples as you're stapling through if your stapler doesn't reach the middle. So I just opened my stapler up, stapled through the fold line, and then I'm going to fold the staples in on the inside. So the sharp edges are on the inside. Okay, then I'm going to remove the paper clips and refold the card and pages. And now I have a little notebook, or the start of a journal. And for these little notebooks, I decided just to add a colored paper clip to them as a closure. Also, I lucked out because these greeting cards came with envelopes. And even with the extra papers and the extra backing paper on the inside that I used for inside of the cover and the paper clip, these still fit snugly into these envelopes. So I could just mail these out as little gifts, as upcycled cards. These would be really, really cute. So I made 6 of these in total, and I will run through all 6 of those. And then I also decided to change this paper clip out to a pink paper clip because of the pink roses on here. I thought the pink paper clip might be a really cute addition to it rather than using the white. These particular paper clips I got at Dollar Tree for $1.25. So here are all 6 of these. And most of these I did with the jelly print backgrounds. This one's the jelly print. This one also jelly prints. Sometimes you need to go through and kind of press these pages to get them to lay flat. This one I used pieces from the Time to Cook kit that she has. The lined pages are from the Time to Cook kit and the jelly prints. And this one I used the Time to Cook kit, and the collage page is from I'll list it below. This is the one that I did on camera, and this last one is also jelly prints. So, super stinking cute. Simple little gifts. Thanks for watching, y'all.